What is going on, everyone? I'm gonna be a little honest here. I'm a little mind blown right now. I posted a video about a week or so ago about this knife and saying, don't throw away the case. And over the past week, the video just kind of picked up and blew up, and it's gotten like 111,000 views on it so far, and it's it's pretty crazy. But one of the funniest parts about it is the comment section. In the short, I said, don't toss the box, keep the box because it's a nice box. And a lot of people in the comment section, a lot of people were very, positive like they usually are in the EDC world. And I had a lot of very sarcastic ones. And I'm not going to lie, some of the sarcastic ones made me laugh pretty good. I think some of my favorite ones were like, because in the video, I kind of vaguely said, I didn't explain what I was going to use the case for. I just kind of said, don't toss the case. And then I kind of put the knife in it at the end and said, you know, you can use this as a little EDC case. But some of the comments were pretty funny. Some of the people were like, you mean to tell me you can put the knife in the case that it came in? Mind blown. And then there was a few other comments here and there, like, did you know you can still own your car and drive it? And the comments were pretty funny, and I had a good time with it and went back and forth. And I don't get too negative on here. I just kind of roll with it and have a good time. Even if people have something negative to say, I just kind of laugh it off and go with it. But all jokes aside, this is the knife from HX Outdoors. This is the Hyla. This is the one that started the comedy show, and I'll leave a link to it if you want to check out some of the comments. They're pretty funny. When you buy a knife from HX Outdoors, they send them in these nice little heavy-duty plastic cases, and you can hang them up if you want, and they snap shut. They're pretty nice. But anyways, usually when you buy a knife, it comes in a little cheap cardboard case, and you take the knife out and then you kind of just toss the case. But with this one here, I really like it because you can turn it into a little EDC box. And that's what I did. I made my son a little EDC case for his car, so that way he can keep it in his console, or I think I'm going to put it in his glove compartment. That's probably the safest place for it. And like I said, most knives come with cardboard. This one's got a nice little hard plastic one, and it has foam in the top and the bottom. And if you wanted to fit a little bit more in here, you could take this foam right out, and then you could fit a little bit more in there. But I kind of like the foam in there, so that way, things aren't moving around too much. I mean, they still rattle a little bit, but nothing crazy. But anyways, excuse me. I made this for my son for his car, so just wanted to show you a few things I'm keeping in here. And here's what we got. I got him the little Through Night Archer Mini. Oh, had it backwards. The little rechargeable flashlight, charges USB-C. I love these things. I have these in multiple colors, and I have multiple versions. And I've had a few people ask me, why do I always post this in my videos? And I'm like, it's a really good light. And we have 4 kids plus the wife, so we all have one, and they're always on sale for like 13 bucks. So I always buy them here and there. And this is a SOG Power Pint Mini. It's a good little tiny multi-tool that can fit inside of here and anywhere, and I absolutely love this thing. And this is another little multi-tool that I include in a lot of videos because it's very useful. And like I said, we all have one. Everyone got one last year or over the years as a stocking stuffer, and they're good to have. And I got some Gorilla Glue because if you're ever on the road, you need something breaks, you get a really bad cut. Super glue can fix the cut, and it can fix something that's broken. And my son has the same allergies I do, and it is allergy season, so I gave him a little bit of Clear Eyes. And then this is like a little flathead screwdriver, but you can use it as a pry bar if you want. It's pretty sturdy. This comes with the Ridge wallets. It's actually for tightening up the Ridge wallet keychain. But it's a nice little thing to add to a little EDC kit. And then some little dental floss pickers, because go out to dinner, you come home, you got something stuck in your teeth. And I actually used the plastic that the knife came in and just sealed it shut with a lighter, so keeps them nice and clean, keeps them dirty. You don't want to put any dirty stuff in there with your teeth. And then I got this little O-knife screwdriver. It's this thing's pretty nice. It opens up. It has different bits in it. It has different torque bits. It has different Phillips heads and flatheads. And I put that one in there and then close it. It keeps everything nice and sealed. It's magnetic. And then it also has, what side is it on? Right there, you can put the tips in there. So if you really need to crank on something, you can put some grip into it. And then he has in his car, he has this type of charger in it. I know everybody always says I need to have USB-C to USB-C, but that's what he normally has on his regular charger. But if it breaks, this can, get him out of trouble in a pinch if he needs to get a charge. And then I got him a little bottle right here that keeps some Tylenol and some Aleve, stuff like that. He has a fun, hard job like I do delivering, and it's not fun. You get sore, you get headaches. And then the SOG does not have tweezers, so I gave him a little set of tweezers to stick in there. And then this little O Pen Mini. This thing is really nice to have. It's a pen, and you can get a pencil to come out of the top, and it's real small and compact, and it fits in there really good. And then a couple little Post-its, because if, your phone dies and you need to write something down, you got your little pen pencil combo. You can write down whatever you need to write down. And then some Band-Aids and some alcohol wipes. And then I put this at the bottom and hid it in there so he can't really see it, because he doesn't use this too often, but I like him to have it just in case he can have it. But if he knew there was $20 in there, it would burn a hole in his pocket, and that would be the end of it. So I kind of just stuck it in there and hid it. So that's what I've kept in his. And like I said, the comments were pretty hilarious, and I guess I could have been a little bit more straightforward of what we were going to be using it for. I just kind of said, at the end of the video, I kind of just tossed the knife in the box and said, you can put the knife in the box and some multi-tools. But apparently some people got pretty wound up about it, and it was pretty funny. It was a good time. If you want a good laugh, I'll leave a link to the video in the comments. It's pretty funny stuff. Some people went a little out there, like, oh, with the comments, but I'll try and post a couple of them. But yeah, whoops, forgot that thing. But yeah, it's a nice little EDC kit. It closes up, it stays sealed, and nothing's going to move around if you keep that foam in there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you want to put the knife back in there, you can take the foam out and sit it in there. But me personally, I think the knife is just going to stay in my pocket when I have it carried on me. And I am going to do another review of this one, but don't worry, I promise, I will tell everybody that I'm going to use the case as an EDC kit. I'll be more clear about it so I don't get as roasted in the comments. Or you never know, I might still get roasted. But anyway, that's about it. I just thought it was a cool little box to come with your knife. And if you have anything from HX Outdoors, have you used this as a EDC case, or did you just toss the case? I mean, you can use this for anything. Tools in your shed, tools in your garage, anything you want to. I think it's a good little case that, not gonna have to throw away. So I hope everybody had a good day, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. So you guys take it easy.